Hi, this is Matthew from the Office of Instructional Technology, here to share with you one of my favorite recently learned tips for using a Windows 10 device. This one has to do with copying and pasting. So if I'm using the keyboard shortcut Windows Shift S to click and drag, and when I let that go, I've now copied that image. All right, so if I can open a Word document here, and I can go ahead and paste that. Control V is my shortcut. Or I can just right-click on the page and do paste, and it pastes that image there. Or maybe I'm looking at some text online, so I'm going to click and drag here, and same thing. I can right-click and choose copy, or I can press Control C. So I've now copied this, come back to my Word document. It's the last thing that I copied, so it has replaced the previous thing that I copied. You can only have one thing on your clipboard at a time, right? So that's not actually true. Control C and Control V will remember the last thing you had on there. But if you click on your Windows icon in the bottom left corner and click on Settings, that's the clipboard I was just using. So if I type in clipboard, oh look, my clipboard has settings. So I'm going to click on my clipboard settings and turn on clipboard history. Okay, and just like Control V pastes the last thing that you saved, Windows V, when you have clipboard history turned on, gives you a list of things that you've recently clipped. Okay, so I'm going to toggle this on, and now I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I'm just going to press Windows V, and you'll see that I have a whole list of things that I have copied just today. And so I can still access that most recent one. Here's that image that I just did. Here's another recent addition. So this works with text, this works with images, anything that you copy, you can paste in there. Again, as Windows V gets you to that list. So that's how it works. And if I press Windows V and I decide, you know what, I don't need this one anymore, I can click on the three dots and delete that one. I can click on the three dots and delete this one. Some of these I do not need anymore. I can also choose to clear all. But there's a few of these towards the end that I do actually want to keep because I keep getting the same emails about Nearpod. So what I want to do instead is I'm going to pin this one. And once I pin it, then I can choose to clear out all of the other ones. But my pinned ones are going to remain. Okay, so I pinned those two. Now when I click Clear All, everything except the ones that I pinned get cleared out. So I can kind of keep this as just the things that I'm going to continue to need. And if at some point this issue gets resolved, which it should, I can unpin that, and now the next time I hit clear all, those will disappear as well. All right, so this is, once again, the settings for your clipboard. So go to the Windows icon, click on Settings, and type in Clipboard, and choose your clipboard settings. Toggle that on, and then instead of doing Control V to paste the last thing that you copied, you can do Windows V to get to anything you've copied since the last time you cleared that out.